welcome to Chopping Up with Vanessa J. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Guess what? Yes, you and me, are about to make a delicious, did I say delicious keto-friendly meal today. And I'm super excited. And guess what it is? It is salmon and zucchini. We like to call it Zoodles. Salmon and Zoodles. Oh my God, it's so delicious, and I hope you enjoy it just as much as I did. But let me give you a quick little history about me, okay? So I started keto back almost 9 months ago. Actually, it was the day after Easter. I started keto because I saw myself, being in quarantine, working remotely from home, gaining so much weight, gaining all these pounds. And I was working at my kitchen table at first, right? So I had easy access to the fridge, easy access to the cabinet with all the snacks, easy access to all the liquor on top of the cabinet, So I was just eating and drinking too much, right? Did I say that right? I was just eating too much and drinking, here and there. But I wasn't, I was consuming more than I should have, right? So I'm like, okay, it's time for me to change my lifestyle. So I said, okay, let me give keto a try. And at first I thought keto was all this boring foods, just bacon and eggs and a whole bunch of veggies. Oh, that's so boring. Not at all. Not at all. When I tell you, I've been cooking so many delicious meals on keto and enjoying every bit of it, okay? I also have a cooking class that I facilitate every other Thursday, and it is wonderful. We have cooked so many delicious meals, but I'll tell you about that later. Also, too, guys, I've never been the type of person to disclose my weight for whatever reason. I just always been self-conscious about my weight. But I will share with you guys because I'm so excited about it, So when I started, I weighed in on April the 13th. I weighed in at 201. I am now down to 175. So I still have a few more pounds to lose, but I am so happy because I feel better. I feel healthier, I have high blood pressure and hypertension. So what I'm saying is I was having I had plantar fasciitis, pains in my knee, a swollen knee, back pains. I had so many different health problems due to my weight. And once I changed my lifestyle, changed a different way of eating, I've dropped the pounds, I'm feeling better, I'm more energized than ever. I still work out every single day, and and I really feel good about myself. So I'm very excited, and I'm hoping you are on a good journey too, using the keto, exercising as well, and eating healthy, okay? So enough about all that. I teach you to grab your salmon mignon or fillets, whichever one you have, your zucchini, your favorite seasonings, and don't forget that garlic butter, and we're about to chop it up. Alright guys, so I have my zucchini, my salmon, my minced garlic, my garlic butter, my favorite seasonings, and some teriyaki sauce. Oh my God, that's just gonna set it off. Let's get started. Alright guys, I have my 16-inch electric skillet here. I have the temperature set on 350 so it's nice and hot. The first thing you're going to do is grab your garlic butter. Put your garlic butter in here. You're nice and sizzling. About 2 tablespoons. While the butter is melting, I'm going to grab my salmon mignon and cut off the neck here. Don't want to cook it with the neck to be able to pull it off without tearing it. Keep it in place. There we go. Okay, open up a little bit. And it's already been washed. I'm going to do the same thing here, so let's be a little more careful with it. The garlic butter smells good already. Oh my God. Okay. This smells pretty good. There we go. So now I can just take it around. Sometimes it can be a little stubborn. There we go. So I'm going to place both of them in here. So as the salmon is sauteing with the garlic butter, I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning. Just sprinkle some seasoning on it. I'm going to sprinkle both sides. And I'm going to add some of the minced garlic. I love garlic. You know, I couldn't stand garlic back in the day. Growing up, my mom used to make garlic with everything. I mean, everything. I'm like, oh my God, the whole house smelled like garlic. But you know what? Now, I love garlic. It's very good for you health-wise. So I pretty much cook a lot of my vegetables and meats with garlic. So you may want to try it. While that's cooking, I can just check the bottom of it here. Oh, it's getting nice and brown. Look at that. Let it cook a little bit longer. And I have to watch it. And you know what? True fact, it's my first time using electric skillet, so we're gonna see how this works. I normally cook my salmon and my steaks and chicken. A lot of that, I normally cook it in my wok or my regular skillet. So this is my first time using electric skillet, you know, for YouTube purposes. So I think it's gonna go well. We shall see. Looks like it's brown and pretty good. Oh my goodness. Add some more seasoning to it. Remember to use your favorite seasoning. So whether seasoned salt and pepper, paprika. I love red pepper flakes. Oh my God, I love red pepper flakes. I put red pepper flakes on everything pretty much. I love it. I love to have that little spicy kick to it. All right, so I just turned it over, and I also turned my temperature down to like 225 because I want it brown, but I want it nice and brown. I don't want it, you know, to burn or anything. So I turned it down so it can saute really good. So make sure you guys are watching yours as well while you're in that kitchen. Oh my God, it smells so good. Right, as you see, it's still cooking. And also too, when you use electrical skillets, you don't have to add a lot of oils or butter at all because it's already well coated. So just add a little bit of butter and oil. See how it looks on the other side? And you see here around the midsection here, it still needs to cook a little bit longer. But it smells delicious. You guys are gonna enjoy it. All right, it's been cooking for a few minutes now. I'm about to turn it over. You see the center here? It's still pink, so we'll make sure that the center cooks all the way through. It was a very thick. All right, guys, so our salmon is almost ready. If you're a garlic butter lover like me, feel free to brush, you know, some on your salmon as it's cooking. If you like that garlicky taste. It's really good. I love, like I said, garlic butter. So feel free to add some more. Then I want to make sure my center is done. And the other side, ooh, nice and brown, okay. All right, again, first time cooking electrical skillet, so not that bad. It's good. So as that's cooking and the temperature is on like 250 now, I can go ahead and start the Zoodles. I'm going to add a little bit more garlic butter to my skillet, just a little bit. Remember I said we don't need a lot. Over here, and add my Zoodles. Put all that in there. They can just cook together. As that's cooking, I have my seasonings. Remember, add your favorite seasonings, whatever you like. Add your favorite seasonings. I'm going to also add the remainder of this minced garlic. Because I think I used like probably a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. It's up your preference. Whatever, you know, if you really love garlic, you know, it's your preference. Whatever you want to use is fine. And you know, zucchini doesn't take that long to cook. Not at all. Ooh, can't wait. You guys getting hungry too? Oh my God, I just can't wait. Yes, 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 yes. As you can see, I'm adding a little bit more crushed red pepper flakes. Love red pepper flakes. And it's almost ready, guys. Yes, because the last thing we're going to do is add the teriyaki sauce. But I want to make sure that the zoodles are done and make sure that the salmon, you know, is fully cooked like I like it. You know, no more pink. I don't want any more pink in mine. Some people may like the, you know, the center still to be pink, but no, I like mine to be fully cooked. And then the last thing, I'm going to turn my skillet down and add the teriyaki, and that'll be the last thing. And we'll be ready to chow down, guys. All right, guys, it's almost ready. I also want to note that, remember, you're the chef in your own kitchen, so always season your food to taste. If you like it spicy, add red pepper flakes or add hot sauce, whatever you want to add, you know, whatever season you like, whatever spices you like, you make it seasoned to your taste, okay? So now I am about to bring the salmon over here and add the last ingredient, which is the teriyaki sauce. And pour some of that on here. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yes, look at that. I don't need that much, right? Mix that up really good. Again, your preference. Do you want to add teriyaki sauce? You can. I enjoyed it. I really like teriyaki sauce. Just sets it off. All right, I'm about to put on the plate. Okay guys, it's all ready now. So you either have your salmon mignon or salmon fillet. If you add a teriyaki sauce, you have teriyaki salmon and zoodles. You ready to give it a taste? Let's go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that salmon. It's so good. Oh my God. Nice and tender. Nice and tender. You know I love my zoodles. Delicious. Nice and tender. Let me finish chewing. So good. Look at that. Look at that. It's so tender. Oh my goodness. So freaking good. Oh my God. Thanks again for guys for watching. I can't think my name. Oh my God, so delicious. That's one thing I love about this mignon. One thing I love about this mignon is that it's nice and tender. Nice tender cut meat. Oh my God, it's very good. Now let's talk with your mouth full. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching Chopping Up with Vanessa J. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoy your keto-friendly meal. See you next time. Bye-bye, guys. Oh, shoot, let me cut the video. Let me cut the video. Bye, guys.